Good day, my name is Dela, I'm your expert doctor. In today's video, I'll continue the series I started recently on the factor you need to consider in sourcing for supply. What are the things that should guide you? What should be your guiding principle in sourcing for supply? How do I ensure I get a good local supplier? What are the characteristics or factors or principles that should guide my decision in decide, particularly when I have 2, 3, 4 different suppliers that I need to deal with to deliver the product. I've talked about reliability and capacity. I've talked about costing and pricing. I've talked about quality issues. Now today I'm talking about logistics and transportation. If I have a supplier that will supply me, for example, I need to get cashew nut from Nigeria. Cashew nut, not raw cashew nut. I have a supplier that will supply from Ogbomoso, and I have another supplier that will supply me from Kogi, or that will supply me from maybe Nasarawa or Kwara. But I have one close by. My first consideration is to work with the one that is close by. Why? Because it's close by. If he's able to get me similar quality, most likely the cost of transportation will be lower. More importantly, the cost of transport, the time for transport also will be lower. It might be that I need cocoa. I can source cocoa from Osun State, Ondo State. I can source from South, Cross River State. I would rather choose someone that is closer. Now, if I'm putting transportation and logistics as a factor, which should be a factor, but if, of course, there are other overriding reasons, for example, maybe the person that is far is more reliable than the guy that is closer. So in determining the supplier to deliver the goods, consider supplier's location. Consider supplier location. Is it located near to you, which will reduce your cost and transit time, or is it far away? If it's far away, that's a challenge. If it's far away, that's a challenge. And this is very important because we are talking about logistics here. The farther is going to get it from, the more the cost I'll be incurring in transportation, unless such a supplier is going to help me in such a manner that is going to help me get a lot better price. That means even though it's getting it from a farther place, even though it's going to source from a farther place, but it's giving me at a price that is reasonable or cheaper for me. Now, this supplier, does he have what it takes to deliver this quantity? Because does he have a reliable logistic company? In fact, sometimes I will even recommend you manage logistics yourself. If you are not able to ascertain that this supplier can get a reliable logistic company, you want to get a logistic company that have reliable trucks, that give guarantee on the days of delivery, and also has the possibility of tracking the truck in transit. You know, there is this story around in Nigeria that some truck driver has a girlfriend in different truck park in different states.